Hello guys, welcome to Quiz and Quotes. Here today we are going to discuss uh, close to 35 multiple choice questions on the subject history, and all of us know this is one of the vital subject in your competitive examinations. So let's take it very carefully and take it very seriously. These questions are selected very carefully. So at the till the 7 see till the end, and at the end of this video, the entire series, there's a gift for you. So let's take. So the first question coming in front of you is, when was first telegraphic line started in India? When was first telegraphic line started in India? And the options are option A 1875, option B 1851, option C 1884, option D 1900. So what is the right answer? The right answer is 1851. The first telegraphic line started in India in 1851. Next question. When did the British government start ruling India directly? And the options are option A, after the Battle of Plassey, option B, after the Battle of Panipat, option C, after the War of Mysore, option D, after Sepoy Mutiny. And the right answer is after Sepoy Mutiny. Next question. What is the Hunter Commission? What did the Hunter Commission appointed by the Viceroy probe? What did the Hunter Commission appointed by the Viceroy probe? And the options are Bardoli Satyagraha, option B Khilafat agitation, option C Jallianwala tragedy, and option D Chauri Chaura incident. And the answer is Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Option 4. Next question. Who was the chairman of Union Power Committee of Constituent Assembly of India? Who was the chairman of the Union Power Committee of Constituent Assembly of India? And the options are option A Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, option B Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, option C Sir Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, and option D Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And the right answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the chairman of Union Power Committee of Constituent Assembly of India. Next question. How many countries border India? How many countries border India? And the options are option A 9 countries, option B 2, option C 12, option D 6. And the right answer is 6. The 6 countries boundaries India. Next question. What is the capital of Gujarat? What is the capital of Gujarat? And the options are Mumbai, option B Bhopal, option C Lucknow, and option D Gandhinagar. And the right answer is Gandhinagar. Next question. What approximately is the area of India in square kilometers? What approximately the area of India in square kilometers? And the options are option A 4 million, option B 2 million, option C 3 million, and option D 1.5 million. The area of India in square kilometers. And the right answer is 3 million square kilometers. Next question. Who was the President of India in 2009? Who was the President of India in 2009? And the option are option A Govind Singh, option B Jawaharlal Nehru, option C Pratibha Patil, option D Indira Gandhi. And the right answer is Pratibha Patil. Now let's go to the next question. What is India's smallest state by area? What is India's smallest state by area? And the options are option A Goa, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Bihar, option D Pondicherry. And the right answer is Goa. Goa is the smallest state by area. Next question. During what period does India wet season occur? During what period does India's wet season occurs? And the options are option A about mid-June to early October. Option B, several days in late December. Option C, April and a week in May. And option D, November through February. And the right answer is about mid-June to early October. Thank you guys. Now let's go to the next question. Which of these bodies of water does not border India? Which of these bodies of water doesn't border India? And the options are option A, Indian Ocean, option B, Arabian Sea, option C, Bay of Bengal, and option D, Red Sea. Which of the which of these bodies of water doesn't border India? I repeat, option A, Indian Ocean, option B, Arabian Sea, option C, Bay of Bengal, option D, Red Sea. And the answer is Red Sea. Red Sea is somewhere in Saudi Arabia. Now, next question. Delhi is located along what river? Delhi is located around what river? The options are option A, Brahmaputra, option B, the Nile, option C, the Ganges, and option D, the Yamuna. And the right answer, you know, the Yamuna. Next question. Which of this is not a river of India? Which of this is not a river of India? And the options are A, Brahmaputra, option B, Mekong, option C, Yamuna, option D, Ganges. It is very simple. The right answer is Mekong. Let's go to the next question. Who was India's Prime Minister in 2006? Who was India's Prime Minister in 2006? Option A, Morarji Desai. Option B, Manmohan Singh. Option C, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Option D, Indira Gandhi. And the right answer is Manmohan Singh. Next question. What body of water lies to the west of India? What bodies of water lies to the west of India? And the options are option A, Coral Sea, option B, Celebes Sea, option C, Andaman Sea, and option D, Arabian Sea. And the right answer is very simple, it's Arabian Sea. Next question. In what state the Bangalore is located? In which state Bangalore is located? And the options are option A, Chhattisgarh, option B, Kerala, option C, Bihar, option D, Karnataka. And the right answer is Karnataka. Next question. When did chess first originate? When did chess, the game chess first originate? कहाँ पर हुआ था? And the options are option A, Spain, option B, Iran, option C, China, option D, India. And the right answer is India. Now, let's go to the next question. Which state in India do you find the wettest region? Which state in India do you find the wettest region? And the options are option A, Kerala, option B, West Bengal, option C, Assam, option D, Meghalaya. And the right answer is Meghalaya. Next question. In which state is the Kaziranga National Park situated? And the options are option A, Assam, option B, Mizoram, option C, Uttar Pradesh, option D, Gujarat. In which state is the Kaziranga National Park situated? The options are option A, Assam, option B, Mizoram, option C, Uttar Pradesh, option D, Gujarat, and the right answer is Assam. In Assam, the Kaziranga National Park situated. Next question. Which Indian city hosted the first Kabaddi World Cup? Which Indian city hosted the first Kabaddi World Cup? The options are option A, Mumbai, option B, Bangalore, option C, Chennai, option D, Kolkata. And the right answer is Mumbai. Mumbai hosted the first Kabaddi World Cup. Next question. Which Indian president is nicknamed Missile Man? Which Indian president is nicknamed Missile Man? And the options are option A, Kochiril Raman Narayan, option B, Ramnath Kovind, option C, APJ Abdul Kalam, option D, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And this is a very common question. The answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Let's go to the next question. What is the currency of India? Who not knows? Everybody knows. Option A, rupees, option B, dollar, option C, peso, or option D, yen. And the right answer is rupees. Next question. Which town in Nagaland was WW2 fought? In which country in Nagaland was the WW2 World War II fought? And the options are option A, fake, option B, Kohima, option C, Wakha, option D, Dimapur. The right answer is Kohima. Kohima is the place where in Nagaland where World War II fought. Now, next question. The Victoria Memorial Hall is located in which Indian city? The question. The Victoria Memorial Hall is located in which Indian city? The options are A. Jaipur, B. Kolkata, C. Patna, D. Delhi. And the right answer is Kolkata. There is a called Victoria Memorial Hall. Is situated center location in Calcutta, near Esplanade. Now, let's go to the next question. Which Indian festival is associated with colors? And the options are A. Onam, option B. Diwali, option C. Holi, option D. Pongal. And the right answer is Holi. Next question. Which Indian city was the capital of Gaikwad dynasty? Which Indian city was the capital of the Gaikwad dynasty? And the options are option A. Ahmedabad, option B. Vadodara, option C. Surat, option D. Vapi. And the right answer is Vadodara. Vadodara was the capital of Gaikwad dynasty. Next question. Who was the first Indian woman to be elected as President of United Nations General Assembly? Who was the first Indian woman to be elected as President of United Nations General Assembly? And the options are A. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, option B. Indira Gandhi, option C. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, and option D. Sarojini Naidu. And the right answer is Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Next question. Which Indian cricketer became the first sportsman to be awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian order? The question. Which Indian cricketer became the first sportsman to be awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian order? And the options are A. Sachin Tendulkar, option B. Sunil Gavaskar, option C. Kapil Dev, and option D. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And the right answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Let's take the next question. Which is the most populous state in India? Which is the most populous state in India? And the options are option A. Uttar Pradesh, option B. Bihar, option C. Maharashtra, option D. Rajasthan. And the right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India. Next question. Who is the chairman of Reliance Industries Group? And the options are option A. Anil Ambani, option B. Neeta Ambani, option C. Isha Ambani, and option D. Mukesh Ambani. And the right answer is Mukesh Ambani. Next question. Which Indian actor founded the Prithvi Theatre? Which Indian actor founded the Prithvi Theatre? The options are option A. Shashi Kapoor, option B. Raj Kapoor, option C. Prithvi Raj Kapoor, option D. Shami Kapoor. And the right answer is Prithvi Raj Kapoor formed the Prithvi Theatre. Next question. Who was the first education minister of Free India? The question. Who was the first education minister of Free India? And the options are option A. Rajendra Prasad, option B. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, option C. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and option D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And the right answer is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Next question. Which Indian president received the Bharat Ratna? Which Indian president received the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian order, in 2019? Option A. Pranab Mukherjee, option C. Rajagopalachari, option C. APJ Abdul Kalam, and option D. Pratibha Patil. And the right answer is Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee received the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian order, in 2019. Next question. Who is the only Indian cricketer to have scored 5,000 runs in Test cricket? Who is the only Indian cricketer to have scored 5,000 runs in Test cricket? And the options are A. Virendra Sehwag, B. Kapil Dev, option C. Virat Kohli, D. Sunil Gavaskar. And the right answer is Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev scored more than 5,000 runs in Test cricket? Next question. When was the first recorded instance of conflict over the Babri Masjid between Hindus and Muslims? When was the first recorded instance of conflict over the Babri Masjid between Hindus and Muslims? And then options are A. 1949, B. 1984, C. 1889, and option D. 1853. And the right answer is 1853. Next question. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? And the options are A. Durga Puja, option B. Holi, option C. Diwali, option D. Dussehra. And the right answer is Diwali. Everybody knows. So guys, we ended this series, and this today again we are getting a good opportunity of a good award. You can check the description box and click, there is a link over there. This will take to one of my website where your gifts are hidden. I request, explore the gift, it will change your life. That is one of the biggest opportunity in this century. You can earn a good income while learning, and learning opportunity is the ACS best training model for the business. So please explore the things, fill the form. Let me know if you're interested. You can email me, you can connect on WhatsApp given in the description. Thank you guys, thank you so much. God bless you. Share these MCQs to all the deserving students who are preparing for the competitive examination. This will definitely help them to grow and score good marks. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.